Okay, so we are now at the end of week 1. You've got a lot to do, okay? Here's what you need to do. You need to watch the videos, you need to understand them, you need to ask questions if you need to in the group, and if you see somebody in the group and you know the answer, feel free to jump in and help out. Like, we're here to help everybody. It's fine. We all have the same goal, and that is to succeed. Now, here's the big one. I want you to create 10 designs to test. I'm not saying launch them on GearBubble. Remember, we're not launching anything. Create the design, do the mock-up, put the mock-up on your page, send traffic to the mock-up, and ask, would you wear this? Do that 10 times, okay? You need to test those 10 designs. They can be all the same niche, they can be 10 different niches, they can be whatever split you want, okay? You need to get 10 out there in your first week. And you're not putting it on GearBubble, so that'll save you a little bit of time. Now, what to expect. So you're going to put 10 up there. Here's what you're going to expect to happen. 1 is going to be a winner. 2 are going to be okay. 7 minimum are going to be failures. They're just not going to work. You know this, so accept it and keep taking action. Now here's the thing. $5 per test times 10 is $50 spent to find that one winner. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, we can use those numbers. And if you're feeling really energetic, do 20 in the first week. Then you'll probably find 2 or 3 winners instead of 1. Do 50 in the first week. Just keep launching. If you're doing 50, man, you're going to be flying out of the gate. You're going to have so many to do. You're going to run out of time during the day to do them all. So that's why I say start with 10. 10's a lot. It's a lot of designs to figure out and get done. But if you find a design and you don't want to do it, then you need to outsource it. So you need to pay somebody on Fiverr or Upwork or whatever you need to do. You need to get them to make it up for you. And just do it in a circle like I showed you. Or if you want to do the square one, do the square one. Or do the heart-shaped one, whatever you want to do. Just because I did a circle doesn't mean you have to. Okay? And that's the other thing too. If you've got questions, ask. But one thing, don't prejudge your designs. Okay? Don't think, well, I would never wear that. You know what? Who cares what you would wear or wouldn't wear? It doesn't matter. If you're a male and you're selling stuff to females 50 years and older, what does it matter what you would wear or wouldn't wear? It doesn't matter at all. Your opinion does not matter. This is why we're doing this. We want to find out what the people who we think would like it actually think about it. And some people will even offer their advice on it. They'll be like, nah, that's kind of dumb. No, you need to say this. No, you need to say that. That's a little bit more advanced. We can get into that. We can, later on we can say, hey, we're thinking of doing this. What do you guys think of it? Instead of, would you wear this? What do you think of this? And people will tell you what they think of it. Right now, we're keeping it simple and saying straight up, would you wear it? If we get a bunch of yeses, well, guess what? We're going to launch that. We're going to make it, and we're going to put it up on GearBubble and run some real ad campaigns to it. So go with old t-shirt designs that have worked. Go with t-shirt niches that work. The big ones that we all know and love. They're all out there. They're easy to find. Be creative, okay? Here's the golden rule. Never, ever copy somebody directly. Don't do it. Be unique. It's not cool. You, if you copy somebody now, guaranteed down the road, you're going to have a one that's blowing the doors off the place. And somebody's going to copy you, and you're going to be like, man, that sucks. I just got copied. If we all don't copy each other, we can end the copycat phase. There's always going to be a couple guys that think they can take a shortcut and think that they can steal everybody else's work. There's always going to be a couple bad apples, but if the majority of us are on the up and up, not copying anybody blatantly, then that's fine. Put your own spin on something. Take the niche and do something else in that niche. There's no need to copy, okay? There's lots of room for everybody. There's lots of niches out there. And odds are if you see one that's done like thousands in sales or hundreds in sales, the guy's already got it nailed down. You can go in and try and compete with him, but don't copy. Please don't copy. Don't be a copycat. So that's your homework. You got 10 designs to do. Get the mock-ups done. Get them up on your page. And then you need to get your Facebook campaigns done for each one. Spend $5 on each one over a 24-hour period. Then you're going to be checking in on the comments, seeing what people say. We're looking for good comments like, yes, I like this. Yes, I would wear this. Where can I buy this? That's the best one. And you will get that one too. So remember, these are just our little test campaigns, our little market research phase that we're going to go through to quickly and easily find out if our designs are actually speaking to our target audience. So have fun with it, go nuts with it, go as aggressive as you want, but I would really like to see everybody do 10 minimum.